Have you ever sat in a classroom or a cafe, notebook open, eyes darting around, your heart pounding, knowing exactly what you want to say in English? But when the moment arrives, your voice disappears like a balloon letting out air, leaving silence where your words should be. That was Liza every single day. A young, ambitious and thoughtful girl, Liza loved learning, loved reading stories, and dreamed of speaking English fluently. Yet each time she attempted to speak, a wave of shyness washed over her, heavy and immobilizing. Perhaps you feel the same, wanting to speak, but frozen by fear, comparing yourself to classmates who seem effortlessly fluent, worrying that every mistake will make others laugh, or simply hesitating to open your mouth at all. It's a struggle many face, a silent battle that nobody talks about, yet it keeps you from fully expressing yourself and connecting with the world. Why does this happen? Because shyness is not just a fleeting feeling, it is a habit, a pattern that grows stronger every time you choose silence over courage, comfort over action, and hesitation over expression. Imagine your confidence as a small sapling, fragile but alive. If you never water it, never give it sunlight, never let it stretch toward the sky, it will remain tiny, weak, and overshadowed by bigger trees. Liza realized this one morning as she stared at her reflection in the mirror, noticing the hesitation in her eyes, the nervous twitch of her lips. And she asked herself the question that changed everything. Am I going to let fear decide my life, or will I take control of my voice? That question sparked a fire she hadn't felt before. She began with small steps, whispering her thoughts in English while brushing her teeth, describing the colors of her cereal, the way sunlight hit her bedroom wall, or the flutter of a bird outside her window. Each tiny sentence was like lifting a stone off her chest, a small act of bravery that started to break the chains of shyness. Writing became her next tool. She wrote short, simple stories about her day, her dreams, and even her mistakes, knowing that words on paper would never judge her. Then she read them aloud, sometimes stumbling, sometimes laughing at herself, and with each reading, her confidence grew like ripples spreading across a still pond. Soon, she challenged herself further, speaking for 1 minute in English to a close friend, asking a simple question, describing a favorite snack, or telling a tiny story about her cat. Her friend smiled, offered gentle corrections, and Liza realized mistakes were not traps. They were stepping stones, ladders leading her toward fluency. Can you see the truth in that? Every mistake is a rung on the ladder. Every awkward sentence is practice. Every tiny effort compounds into progress. Liza discovered a profound secret. Shyness fades when your attention shifts from fear to story, from hesitation to expression. Fear is a shadow. It grows larger when you focus on it, but it shrinks when you step into the light of action. Liza stepped into that light every day. She practiced reading dialogues from her favorite books, recorded herself telling short stories, and even practiced speaking while walking home, describing the sky, the streets, and the people she passed. These small acts built momentum, transforming fear into curiosity and hesitation into courage. And then came real-life moments that tested her, ordering a sandwich at a cafe, answering a question in class, introducing herself to someone new. At first, her voice trembled, her words stumbled, but she refused to stop. Each time she spoke, she added another brick to her foundation of confidence. Imagine what would happen if you, too, spoke one sentence today, telling one small story, even if it feels awkward. Every spoken word is a seed. Every sentence is practice. And over time, your confidence will bloom like a garden, strong and resilient. Liza's daily routine became a series of intentional actions: morning whispers to herself, writing stories, reading aloud, speaking for small moments with friends, repeating phrases, and even mimicking conversations she heard on the radio or in videos. Each day she reflected, "What story will I tell today? How can I push my voice just a little further?" Slowly, her shyness began to dissolve, replaced by excitement. Speaking English became less about perfection and more about expression, about sharing a part of herself with the world. She learned that mistakes are not failures, but opportunities. Hesitation is not weakness, but a signal to act, and fear is simply a reminder that growth is possible. And here is the key lesson: transformation does not come from waiting for the perfect moment, it comes from creating the moment. Just like learning to ride a bike, your legs wobble, you might fall, but every attempt strengthens your muscles and your confidence until balance feels natural. Liza took each step deliberately, often uncomfortable, sometimes embarrassed, yet always moving forward. And with each small step, she asked herself, "What story can I tell that I care about?" Because when you speak about something meaningful, your fear diminishes and your voice becomes a tool of expression, not a trap of shyness. Over weeks and months, small victories accumulated: a sentence in class, a story told to a friend, a question asked without hesitation. Liza realized the power of daily habits, the magic in repetition, and the importance of taking action now, rather than later. Can you see how your own daily actions can transform you to speaking one sentence, reading one paragraph aloud, practicing a dialogue? These tiny choices compound over time, turning hesitation into fluency, silence into confidence, and fear into unstoppable motivation. Liza's story also shows the importance of reflection. She wrote about her emotions, celebrated successes, and analyzed mistakes, not to criticize herself, but to grow. Each reflection was like checking a map while hiking. It helped her see how far she had come and which direction to take next. And she integrated visualization, imagining herself confidently ordering food, asking questions, or telling a story to her class, which trained her mind to accept the possibility of success before it even happened. Liza's journey wasn't smooth. There were days she felt defeated, wanted to hide, or compared herself to others, but each day she chose action over retreat, and that choice is what built resilience. Think about the long-term benefits. The English skills you build today will not only let you communicate, but will give you confidence in every part of your life, turning obstacles into opportunities, conversations into connections, and dreams into reality. Can you imagine yourself 6 months from now speaking with ease, answering questions confidently, sharing stories without hesitation, and looking back at the shy person you once were with pride? That is the power of consistent, intentional action. Now ask yourself, will you let fear steal your voice, or will you take that first step toward transformation? Today, speak one sentence in English, tell one small story, or read one paragraph aloud to repeat tomorrow. Keep going. Like Liza, you can transform your shyness into courage, your fear into fluency, and your hesitation into unstoppable confidence. Every word you speak is a victory, every story you tell is progress, and every practice session is a brick building your foundation. And if you want more stories, practical strategies, exercises, and guidance to make English learning personal, effective, and inspiring, subscribe now, commit to the journey, and start building the confident, expressive English speaker you are meant to become. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once whispered their first sentence. And every step you take today brings you closer to a future where speaking English is natural, joyful, and empowering. Don't wait, don't hesitate. Speak, practice, tell your story, and watch your confidence and fluency grow every single day. Just like Liza, begin now and let your journey toward unstoppable English confidence start today.